Ciao! Welcome back, car racers, to Playtime with Bandit. And boy, oh boy, do we have a treat for you today. We are right off of Interstate 20 in sunny Lincoln, Alabama, folks. The air is thick with the smell of, well, pretend gasoline, and the excitement is palpable. Welcome to Talladega Triple Twist. Well, shoot, Lightning, you didn't tell me you was gonna be here. Mater, it's the big race, and you're racing too. Well, good night, Lightning. That's great news. You got, darn it, I'm more excited than a tornado in a trailer park. Mater. Racing the number 84 is Davy Apex. And our favorite music blasted scion, DJ. Hailing from France, we have our number 6 rally car, Mr. Kaoul Caroule. Everybody's favorite 1959 Fiat 500, Luigi. Mamma mia! His engine sounds like the roar of a T-Rex, and he's got the speed of a velociraptor. It's Kay McQueen. And by her fellow clowns at the circus, our next racer's name is Kay Pillar-Duvers. Racing for the number 1 Italian Formula 1 race car, Mamma mia, is Francesco Bernoulli. Racing in his favorite purple color, number 79, is Inngas. Watch out, Lightning. The best backwards driver on this side of the Mississippi. Give it up for Tow Mater. Shucks. Lightning. Up first, it's number 79, Inngas. Racer, start your engine. Can't wait to see the instant replay on that. What a strong finish. Well, folks, Inngas had an early start out the front gate and was able to keep good timing through all 3 phases and finish strong for the day. We'll see how he stacks up against his competition. Up next is Tow Mater, the grader. Did he say start your engine? Oh no, I ran into the wall. I'm supposed to be going down the track, not running into it. Oh, dadgummit. I'm gonna get it one of these times. Can you guys reset the clock for me? They need to grease up this track like they did to Aunt Betsy when we had to get her out the door. Whee! The rough start for Tow Mater today. Let's check back on the instant replay. Getting caught on the first corner of the track right there. Hairpin turn, but he just can't get it in that big old rust bucket. Hey, who you calling Rust Bucket? Hey, get him out of here. Up next is the number 1, Francesco. Racer, start your engine. Lightning McQueen, you do not stand a chance against Francesco. You're going down, Lightning. You see my bumper sticker, Lightning? It says ciao. Well, folks, it looks like Francesco was having a rough day at the track. Hey, let me in here. He looked like he was trying to parallel park a gondola. Well, who let him in here? Get him out of here. Mater, you already raced. You can't be an announcer, too. Oh, come on. All right, let's let him commentate. Yippee! Up next is Kay Pillar-Duvers. Racer, start your engine. Wow, did you see that? That might have just put Durev at the top of the leaderboard, folks. Look at the way she handled those corners. Yeah, I'd say she handled them pretty good right there. But what I will say is she sure knows how to drive. Next up, we've got everybody's favorite prehistoric dude on 4 wheels. It's Kay McQueen. Racer, start your engine. Ka-chow. Folks, you just saw Kay McQueen tear up the Talladega Triple Twist.
Yep, that fella was a sliding and gliding like a grease pig on a water slide. He took them twists like he invented. That was some downright prehistoric speed.
Let's give a warm round of applause for Luigi. Racer, start your engine. Mater, did you see that? Luigi pulled off the impossible. He had the best time all day. Well, yeah, Lightning, I get it, but we gotta go check on Luigi. He went straight through that Olive Garden. Ka-chow. Next up is Raoul. Racer, start your engine. And now let's rewind and relive that incredible run from Raoul. Watch as he blazes through the track. Just look at that machine.
Yeah, that's a finely tuned car he's got there.
Hey, Lightning, why do those colors look familiar to me? You can hear him coming a mile away. It's DJ. Racer, start your engine. Check out DJ Mater. Look at him dance through all those spirals. That's some serious rhythm and control.
Yee-haw! He's taking him like a fiddle takes a bow. Lightning never seen a car groove like that on 3 spirals.
He's hitting every apex perfect form. That's how you drive a spiral, folks. Ka-chow. Last but not least, my favorite old racer, Davy. Racer, start your engine.
Whoa, doggies! He's sliding through them spirals, and he's painting that track with his tire treads.
He's taking them spirals like they owe him money. Woo-hoo! Mater. Yeah, he's doing great. And that's a wrap on the Talladega Triple Twist. What a day of racing. We saw some incredible runs, some wild slides, and a whole lot of speed.
Yep, Lightning, them spirals were something else. I think I'm still dizzy. But look at there, scoreboard's up.
And the winners are number 1, Lightning McQueen. Number 2, Hauling Gas. In 3rd place, Davy Apex. In 4th place, Kaoul Caroule. And in 5th place, Kay Pillar-Duvers. And in 6th place, DJ. And in 7th place, Luigi. And in 8th place, Francesco Bernoulli. And in 9th place, Tow Mater. We hope you get better after that wreck, Luigi. Well, we had a great time with all you racers out there today. And don't forget, we've still got 2 more big races coming up with all new racers. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ka-chow.
Hey, Lightning, you think you can help me get these big old tires off here? They're starting to itch.
Mater.
Playtime with Bandit.
Subscribe for more content.